So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description. It's going to take you to this Pastebin website. You want to copy and paste the code which will be here. So just highlight it, right click and then copy. Again, this will be down below in the description. And now once you've copied that, for the second step, you want to go to search and type in Notepad. Click on it. You want to paste the command that you just copied right now into the notepad. So you want to right click on the notepad and then select paste. We should now be having this in the notepad. And now once we have this, you want to select file and then click on save as. We're going to save it to our desktop. Now for the file name, you can call it anything you want. Just call it anything you want. Here's the important part. Where it says save as type, you want to click on the drop down and then select all files. And now, next to your name, you want to type in .bat. So call it anything you want. Make sure that at the end you have .bat and then your save as type has been set to all files. And then click on save. And for me, I saved it to my desktop so it appeared right here. Now once we have this, you want to right click on it and then select run as admin. And then click on yes. It's now going to clear our credentials. Once that's been done, you want to click on enter. And then that's how you do it.